Hello and welcome to an art view video about probably the most important thing about photography. As you might notice, I'm not a native English speaker, so my English is it's okay, but maybe I'll get better. Yeah, anyways. I need you to understand the most important thing about photography, and that is composition, which in my opinion is the most important thing to learn. You can buy a $100,000 camera, but your photos will still look mediocre if you don't know anything about composition. I'll let you in on a secret. I use a very basic and cheap DSLR camera which only have the essentials. It's a Nikon D3300 with a standard lens of 18 to 55 millimeters. I'll show you the process about composition and how composition will change your photography. So this is a photo I took. As you can see, there's a big majestic building in the background, a statue in front of it, and some trees. It's a typical photo to take if you're a regular person who just begun taking photos. And beginners want to capture everything, the trees, the building, the statue, so they don't miss anything. But it will be a normal photo, nothing special about it. So I decided that I want to make it more interesting by choosing a subject instead of including everything. And I chose the statue, and I moved closer. Now you can see a bit more of the statue. But I really don't need to include the branches of the tree. It doesn't enhance the main subject, the statue. It rather pulls the focus away from it. So I moved even closer. Now the branches are gone. It looks better. So now I'll question myself how I want the statue to be viewed by the viewer. And I decide I want to make it feel more powerful, so I chose a lower angle. Still, I want to include a building in the background to show that the statue is, in charge of the building. I think the statue maybe is the founder of the building. Anyways, this photo is better. But, the building in the background still draws more attention from the statue. Can I say it like that? It still. I try to speak clear, but still I can't speak clear. So, the background, the building still draws a bit too much attention from the statue. And this is the final result. This time I took the photo a slightly bit more from the side, so it has more depth to it and it looks more 3D. And I also moved closer. You can still get a hint of the majestic building in the background, while the statue is in charge of the photo. I admit it's not the best photo, but still it's significant? Yeah, you know what I mean. It's significantly better than the first one. And I'll show you. Here's the first photo, and here's the last one. And this is what composition can do. And this is what composition can do for your photography. I hope now that you understand the I hope now that you can understand the importance behind composition. Yeah. If you want to see more videos and learn about photography, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like the video if you think it was good. And if you didn't like it, then dislike it. It's up to you. By the way, I will try to speak more clearly in the future. And I was thinking about having two versions of one video. One where I edit out all the bloopers and keep it strict and to the point, and one where I speak more relaxed and keep it genuine. If you think that's a good idea, drop a comment in the comment section below. Anyhow, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later.